this is our 12th annual Row Your Boat contest, where the kids get cardboard, duct tape, and 2-liter bottles, and they have to build a boat that'll hold one person going down and back 50 meters in the pool, speed for speed. It's a teamwork thing. It's thinking, pardon the expression, but outside the box, you know, but thinking out, you know, problem solving, because I really don't tell them what to do other than the parameters, and then they have to basically fix the problem. So